What's up? We in Vegas. We're here at District. My name is Booker Forte, aka Footwork Forte, and today we're gonna learn the reverse forte. What is the reverse forte? It's this. Everybody you see, they're always doing regular slide, basic slide. We've been seeing this since I don't know when. I was in my kitchen, I was like, why can't we go the other way? And so what I did was, I went the basic way, and I said, okay, how can we get this to go back? I'm tired of doing it the same way. And so I just found out and just kept on working on it, and just came up with this. All right, now to begin, you want to start off at a diagonal. I'm going to choose my left to start. There's going to be 6 steps altogether to complete the slide. After that, it's just repetition, going through them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The quicker and the smoother you knock out those steps, the better the slide. Step 1, right toe. All the weight is on using your thigh. So if your thigh's not burning, if you can't go like that, and your heel's not up, you're not doing it right. All right? It should be right toe with your weight all on the thigh. Okay? And what you're going to do is, you're going to push that back. Alright? So the left heel is on the ground. It never leaves the ground. Push that back. And the better your weight is on your right thigh, the smoother it'll go back on your left heel. So 1 is to push back. 2, simple, you're just switching. Just going left heel, or left toe, right heel. All right, step 1, push back. Step 2, switch, left toe, right heel. Step 3 is just a heel toe. You're gonna move to your right. Remember, we're still diagonally left, and we're gonna shift heel toe to our right. Okay? And keep your balance on your left toe. That's where your weight is. So step 1, push back. Step 2, simply switch, left toe, right heel. Step 3 is a shift to your right. Step 4, you're going to slide your heel out. Still, all the weight is on your left thigh. You're going to slide your heel out, and then last minute, get on your toe. So you're sliding to get on your toe. All right? Step 1, push back. Step 2, switch. Step 3, heel toe shift. All you're doing is shifting. Step 4, pushing it out. And then step 5, you're gonna drag. There's 2 ways. If you're on a rough surface and you don't think you have the shoes or the technique down enough to do it, you can cheat it by lifting your left toe up. So what I mean by that, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. For step 5, you can just keep this up. So your weight is on your right thigh, and you're just dragging your left foot behind you. On a smooth surface with more confidence, you would keep your heel there. That's for a better illusion all the way through, a continuous illusion. Because remember, whenever you're doing a slide, it's always right toe, left heel, or left toe, right heel. So as soon as you lift up one of the pieces, like for this per se, you kind of lose it a little bit. You lose a little bit of the illusion. So if you got it down and you can perform it, you want to just keep it there. Keep your left heel down for step 5. Okay? And what you want to do is use your momentum to get that thing going. And I'm pulling on my right thigh as well and my right ankle to get this around. Okay? So step 1, push back. Step 2, switch. Step 3, shift to your right. Step 4, go out with your right heel, then stop it with the right toe. Step 5, you just shift. You're shifting. All right? Boom. You can go up you can drag it, boom. Or you can shift it with your left heel down, boom. All right? And all of it's control. The slower, it's like ballet. The slower, the more graceful, the better the illusion. Boom. All right? Boom. And I'm using my shoulder and everything to get that full rock. All right? And step 5 is the shift. And then step 6, we're just pulling it back. And we're gonna do it again. Boom. Boom. So basically all the steps are in the beginning, just to start it off. Once you get that down, it's just repetition, okay? So just to go through it one more time. Step 1, right toe, left heel, switch. Gonna rotate to your right. 4, go out, stop on your right toe. If you got it down, rotate on your left heel. Boom. Then you switch. Let's do it again. Boom. Boom. All right. From the back. Same way. Right toe. Push back. Switch. Left toe, right heel. Shift to your right. Scoot it out. You're gonna scoot it out. I'm using my left eye. My left eye is burning. So you shift it, you stop. Try to get on your toe. Don't wear skinny jeans. And then shift it. Boom. Boom. Switch. Left toe, right heel. And repeat. Boom. All right. Looking towards you. Boom. All right. And there it is. Rep 4 step.